Hi guys, welcome to my beautiful Plasma. You see the sign down there, the icon down there should give you a message where I am. Yes, a fresh installed system, and we're gonna install the Kiro ISO Builder. What is the Kiro ISO Builder? You go to the Kiro project, kiroproject.pe, and you read about it, right? Discover, build your own ISO. The point is, use these steps, this GUI, created with Claude. This is the walkthrough, very technical, very deep, lots of tips. And now we're making videos. Here is one of Plasma. I have one in the pipeline about Cinnamon, and let's take one here for CachyOS. So yes, as long as it's Arch, right? We're all friends or colleagues or whatever you want to call it, but we're all adopting the packages from ArchLinux. And in this case, CachyOS and rebuilding everything, right, as well. So it's tweaked to the hardware you have. What we want to do is check where we are. So we update our system. First, after an installation, update. Enter. I want this bigger, way bigger. So we have CachyOS version 3, depends on the hardware I have, version 3, and then 2 more. I don't have the Nemesis repo, I don't have the chaotic AOR stuff. I'd like to have Kiro ISO Builder. Okay, when I'm on a third party, I should probably add something, some information, right? Because otherwise, maybe here, let's see. This is the Kiro ISO, explained everything, but getting that's not the point, right? So that's not gonna help. Build your own Kiro ISO. This is not the link for us, the Kiro ISO Builder. So I'll update that. This we can't do because we don't have the repo. So I need to update that particular page to tell you where to go to. Now, where to go to is documented in the Nemesis repo. The Nemesis repo is actually on here in the features. Control find Nemesis. So by teaching, we discover, right? We need to add a little bit text here, a little bit text there. This is all the mentions about the repo of the ArchLinux Nemesis project. And if you explore the projects and view it on GitHub, now we're getting somewhere. So it's too much steps. So I'll put a link there. So we need the repo, which is basically this line, this bit in the pacman.conf, but let's just copy paste this one, which is easier, curl it. So Ctrl-Shift-V, enter, and voila, right? Nemesis repo is in here. That's one thing. Step 2, sudo pacman -s. I need the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Again, something for any Arch-based system. The GTK4 one. What's the difference? I should delete the old one, the Git one. Okay, cool. Things we discover. I've got the ATT. That's what we call it, ATT. You launch it with ATT, right? It sticks. Now, one of the things I like is that I don't like to waste time. And often we need to go into files, and the files are all white. I don't like files all white. I like them colorful, so I can skip the colors because that's commons. And I only read the white ones that are important, right? So that's, for me, a given. I'll take colors. You can unset it later on as well. What we have now is here the ISO. Install Kiro ISO Builder. installed, launch Kiro ISO Builder, and everything can go now. So we have a clean image. We're there where we want to be. Can we build the Kiro ISO on CachyOS? That's the question. Fix. Well, if you don't say anything, it's going to go on the home Erik. Otherwise, you need to browse to a certain file or a better folder where you're going to put everything. So now it's going to go in here, which is okay. And later you just click delete, it's gone. Now, ArchISO needs to be installed. So it's not installed on CachyOS. Click, you are becoming root to do a sudo pacman -s. And click and root to install grub. Both are necessary. Chaotic AOR is not there. Fix. Chaotic AOR is. This is a good test. Is there. Why do I say this is a good test? Because normally, oh, not that thing. Normally, Tweak Tool, I'll do it like this. The Tweak Tool is super long. It's growing and growing in size. And pacman is here. It's just a click of the button. Sorry, this one, right? This is enabled. It's CachyOS. We are on CachyOS. And that's chaotic. So check. Everything is green. Let's make this bigger. So we see a little bit more. And the slider goes away. No, it doesn't go away. Everything green. Continue to configure. We can try and just do the default, but then without this one and with maybe hardened, haven't done that yet. We can detect available kernels. Now sit back, right? We are on CachyOS, who is well renowned for building kernels. Guess who? CachyOS, right? So we have here all the possibilities of all the things, but there are even more. That's a reminder for me, because there are way more. But if we put everything differently, if we say sudo pacman, it's something we can improve in the scripts. Linux, right? Look at that. This should be actually our list. Around 70, 80. Not those guys, not firmware here. But all the rest, there is so much to choose on CachyOS. Where can you choose that? Again, the Tweak Tool. If you are on the Tweak Tool and you go to the kernels, you have all these kernels, but there's a button for the CachyOS kernels. Load available kernels. And you have now a longer list. All kernels. Enough time, right? What I haven't done yet, I've not done Mate yet, and I've done this one. Let's take BSPWM and Awesome. So you decide what is going to be your desktop or not, right? I'm just going to go with Awesome and BSPWM, fine by me. Select which one you want to log into. So you burn a USB, you put it on. What is it you're going to go into? In Awesome, BSPWM, or in one of our desktops. That's important. If you choose a desktop, by default, it becomes the desktop, just to be safe. And we don't forget to set it. You can always overrule, right? But a safety measure, let's take Mate. Okay. Browsers. All of it? None of it. 2 GB difference. But you do want to have Firefox. We are on Mate. Want to see if variety is working. VLC would be nice. Stuff like that, right? You just click away and it's going to go on the ISO. Read the yellow text. 3 of 38 packages are used. We do not put anything Office on the ISO. It's so many choices, never a good choice for users. So go and install it this way or later with the ATT. Save and continue, start build. give in your passwords, and again, it's time to eat, to walk around, call somebody, and wait for it to come out. I remember now that I have not put my key binding to pause in CachyOS. So I gotta keep talking. Definitely. Let's play around then. So we're on CachyOS. What can I tell? I'm not the user of CachyOS, but what can I tell in general? If you visit something, right, type in the word EndeavourOS, CachyOS, Garuda, the word, and see what kind of packages are shared already, have been created. There's a package installer, Cache update, systray applet. There's the kernel manager. So there's no need on CachyOS for any sort of what we do, right? The support on ATT, it's there already. These guys. There is also the scheduler extension that's there. Drop down, and basically it on the fly, you don't need to reboot or anything or recompile or anything. It doesn't hurt your CPU, it doesn't have to work very hard building kernels. No, it's just setting on the fly. It's gonna do that, and voila, right? Read up all the possibilities. I'm sure they have some kind of tutorial or files where you can find out what it really does, all those settings. We have a cache update. Let's try and look at it. Okay, looking for updates. Oh, there's an update. Not gonna do that because it's kernel, right? If you see kernels, you need to reboot, and I'm recording, so it doesn't make sense. And we have two of them. The LTS is there as well. That's cool. I'm gonna stop this. CA. Hello. Hello to you too. Well, what do we have here? A README. Right. Follow their wiki. ArchWiki is good. That is there. The release info. Find more information. Have a look there. The wiki. Here you need to go probably. Discord, forums, ask things. Right. Software stuff. This is what they all have on the machine. And there are mirrors. And this is always nice to see, right? Oh, my eyes. Okay. Knew that would happen. Get involved if you want to. And support, right? Give them donations if you like it. I always say if you've been 1 year on a system, you should be thinking about donating at some point in time, right? It's a free operating system after all. Windows is getting lots of money. macOS is getting lots of money. Support the things you like, whatever it is. I am interrupted. Wait a little bit. No, stop. He wants to get in. I'm recording. I can't press pause button. And we're almost there. Almost 15 out of 37. But basically, guys, you see already what's going to happen. We have to go to an appointment. But you see, this is going to get installed. If you're this far ahead, the only thing you're waiting for is the ISO to pop out. And then you'll be fine. All right. Have a look around. If it comes once more, and then I'll stop the video. And it means we really need to go to our appointment. Kernel. So all of them, we've done all of them, I think now. This one is an applet. I guess this just this little guy that's actually, no, that's screencasting. Might be something in here. Cache update is there. No. Anyway, some kind of... oh, this is gonna take a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. Let him do his work. And I guess it's proof that yes, you can build the Kiro ISO. Yes, I need to improve the website so it goes faster. And we'll do that. All right. Have fun. Cheers.